Hi boys and girls, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's class we are going to discuss about operators. In the previous class we discussed about expressions. I said there are two types of expressions. We have what we call simple expressions and we also have what we call compound expressions. Okay. It is called a compound expression if it has two or more operands. Okay, wow. Then it is called a simple expression if it has one operator. Okay, for example, x is equal to y into z. X is equal to y into z. How many operators are there? Here I only have one operator. If I say x is equal to y into z, okay, divided by a. How many operators are here? I have two operators. Okay, I have two operators. Then it is called a compound expression. What is an expression? This is nothing but a combination of operators and operands arranged in a what? Arranged in a sequence to perform a computation. Let's move on to this. We are going to classify operators. Okay, in today's class we are going to classify operators. We are going to classify operators based on the number of operands. Classification based on the number of operands. Okay, wow. So if you classify operators based on the number of operands, we have what we call unary operators. We also have what we call binary operators. We also have what we call ternary operators. Okay, so it is called a unary operator if it has only one operand. For example, if you write plus 2, okay, in this case this positive is a unary operator. Why? Because there is only one what? There is only one operand. If you write minus 2, this negative again is a unary operator. Why? Because there is only one what? There is only one there is only one what? There is only one operand. If you say plus plus 1, okay, if you check, this plus plus is nothing but a unary operand. Why? Because there is only one what? There is only one operand. If you say minus minus, minus minus, let's say minus minus 1 again. What is the meaning of this? This simply means negative negative is a unary operator. Why? Because there is only one operand. Okay, so this positive is a unary operator, this negative is a unary operator, this positive positive is called, like if it is like this now, if it is positive positive, then number like this, it is called pre-increment. Negative negative, it is called pre-what? Pre-decrement. This is pre-decrement, pre-increment. Positive 2, negative 2, these are simple numbers with signs. Okay, even if you just write plus a, this positive is a unary operator because we only have one operand. If you write negative a, again negative is a what? Is a unary operator. So it is called a unary operator because it only have one what? One operand. What about a binary operator? A binary operator is found between what? Is found between two operands. For example, you can say 2 plus 2. This positive is between two operands, then it is called a binary operator. You can say 2 into 2. This operator is between these 2 and 2, so it is a what? It is also a binary operator. Okay, you can say 5 slash 2. Okay, this slash is between these two what? Operators, so this is also a binary operator. Okay, if you say 5 minus 7, what is happening? This negative is between these two operands. Then this negative is what? This negative is a binary operator. Let's move on to a ternary operator. This ternary operator is an operator which works with 3 operands. And we only have one ternary operator in C programming. This conditional operator. This is the only ternary operator that we have in C programming. It is called the conditional operator. Let's move on to the next part. We also have the classification based on what? Classification based on row. We have classification based on row. So you can classify operators based on row. If you classify operators based on row, we have what we call arithmetic operators. Okay, we also have what we call, let me call this A, let me say this is B. Arithmetic operators. We have what we call assignment operators. Okay. We also have what we call, what else? We have comparison operators. Okay. Comparison operators are also called what? Relational operators. Okay. Comparison operators are also called relational operators. Okay. We also have what we call bitwise operators. Okay. We also have what we call, this is number 4. We also have what we call logical operators. Okay. Arithmetic operators, relational operators, assignment operators, bitwise, and we also have, what's this? Number 6, miscellaneous operators. Okay, so these are the 6 types of operators based on what? Based on row. Thank you very much. I will see you in the next class. So in the next class, we are going to discuss the arithmetic operators, followed by assignment operators, relational operators, bitwise operators, logical operators, and the last type of operator. Thank you very much. Have a good day. I will see you in the next class.